Okay, so as you see, I already did my brows and I carved them out and set them and prepped my whole eyes. And I also prepped my face, of course. And I did my brows. I did everything off of camera, like moisturizer. I didn't like prime my face, but I just like get it ready, you know? So I'm just gonna get straight into the eyes. So for eyes today, I'm going to be using this Modern Renaissance palette right here by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Such a pretty palette. It's a little bit of a mess. That's just because, you know, she's been through it. You know, I've had this palette for a good amount of time. So on a Morphe 441 brush, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Burnt Orange. This is such a classic shade. I think everyone knows what Burnt Orange is. It is such a pretty shade as well. So I'm just going to go in to my crease just with my 441 brush. Go back and forth. On a Morphe M514 brush, I'm going to be going in with Real Guard from the palette. It's a nice darker orange, but still kind of not super intense. So now in the Androgyny palette, yes bitch. Right here, it doesn't have a name. I'm gonna go in with Dominatrix. I love this palette so much, you guys. This is such a good palette. So on this is a Morphe brush. I just don't know the name of it, but it's a flat synthetic brush. It doesn't say the name on it at all, like all the way around, it has no name. But on that brush, I'm going to dip into some of Frosting, a really pretty shade. Okay guys, so this is the eyes. I do a wing liner. I use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, but I really like to make that wing like super black and like matte. So I just went over black powder with it, and then I went in with my SVD lashes and Layla Lash, my favorite eyelash. Like they're so like, they work with this look as well, you know? And then I just put, after the lash band dried down onto my lashes, I just went in with a little bit more black, just so it's like as seamless as possible and you cannot clog these lashes. For primer, I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. It is a soft matte primer, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. So for foundation, I'm going to be using these two foundations, my two favorite foundations, and my actually only two foundations. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and this is the Tint Idole Lancome foundation. Concealer, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. It is the lightest shade. So for powder, I'm going to use this Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Loose Face Powder. So for bronzer, I'm just going to use this Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. Such a pretty bronzer. So I found this, bitch. I found this. This is my Champagne Pop. I've literally been looking for this for about a year now. She's been through some shit, you know, for real. So, clickbait come through. Get ready for this shithole. Go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and strips. Sorry, I just had a little brain fart. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really love this look. Like, oh my god, like this nude eye. Warm tones I'm kind of getting into. Just like this eye, like it's so pretty. The wing, the lashes, the lip. I swear, this liquid lipstick brings every single look together, like as you see, you know, because you can see me right there because I look good as shit. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a big thumbs up down below, subscribe while you're down there, and also turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a video, because I really don't have a schedule. I try to post 2 times a week, but you know that doesn't always work out like the best. Also, all my social links will be listed down below as well, like right down there, you know, it's fine. Definitely comment something if you want to. Comment down below what you want to see me do. Like, I don't know what I should, because I know, like, I feel like I keep doing makeup tutorials because I don't know what you guys want to see. So definitely comment down below what you guys want to see from me, and I'll make that happen. Just let me know, because I don't know what you want me to film. So, yeah, no. I just don't know what you want me to film, so I need you to fucking tell me, okay? So, yeah, just let me know down below. But I'm so sorry, that was such a weird accent. I don't even know what I was trying to do. Me and Mariah, we have like this thing. If you guys don't know who Mariah is, she's like one of my besties. Most of you guys know who Mariah is. But we do this voice, and I don't know why I just can't do it right now. It's like, when we're talking, we just like, why didn't you tell me? Oh, I think no, I can't. I have to be with her to do it, sorry. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Sorry for this a long outro, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!